Aboud Al-Jumaili, a.k.a. Bonner Lynchig, Cumann Nevon Ballantyr. Rónig Bonner Éire, nuair a bhí sé ceithre bliain le d'aois.
I moved here without a word of English. I was completely shied at it the first day, but then I was like, you know what, I'll just go and have another go at it, you know. Then I went down there in the backyard and I just started trying to lift the ball and realising that I have fallen in love in the best game on the planet, you know, and that's where I am here today.
Dearrig Aboud a anam go Bonner Lynchy, in dhéan na mánathe cáiliúla, Colin Lynch agus Bonner Mar.
I call him Aboud originally, but like say if I want something off him, I'd say Bonner. Because he'd get really happy when I call him that, so I'd call him Bonner if I want something off him, so yeah. Obviously, I sound different to Aboud. You hear actually a few accents coming out from him. Sometimes you think he's from Sligo, he's from Clare. It's like he picks a day to choose an accent.
I see, if I go back to Iraq now, no one would understand me for sure. That's the thing. Do you know what I mean? So, you know, I just love it so much. Like, I'm Irish, like.
Délig Bonner, agus a hailach go héireann an Gogus an Iraq I 2003.
When the American invasion happened, I was 5 years of age, okay? Bombings going off, education on pause. We had to flee to the countryside due to safety. Coffins was going every single day past our house. And we really reached a stage where everyone was just waiting for their coffin to be risen, you know, including myself.
Feeling the ground shake because of a bomb that just went off, like, it's crazy. Like, glasses for the windows breaking and all, so it wouldn't be the same experience as a normal child. I do think about it sometimes and be like, think of how grateful we are to be here, like.
You know, when I came out of the Terminal 1, the first thing that hit me was the fresh air. Then after that was the cold weather, like. But now, my favourite weather is the rain, especially playing the game of hurling. If it's cold and it's rainy, it's my best day.
Chabhraigh gan na máint le Bonner I measca le pobal na hÉireann. Anois, tá sé tuairt daoine eile leis.
I'm an aspiring Irish diplomat. I'm also AIG Dublin GAA ambassador, and that involves reaching out to schools, communities of non-traditional GAA backgrounds and introducing them to Gaelic games. Today, I'm here to talk about AIG's Dublin GAA Effort is Equal campaign. Diversity is our strength, but there is no strength without working together. It was an opportunity for me to share my story and to say that anyone can hurl if they have the mind for it and the train hard for it.
Like, he started off not knowing a word of English, then he becomes a very good man and does a lot of good stuff. I'm very proud. There's
a lot of people out there who haven't seen a person of colour playing hurling, and I think if they see a person of colour who's become an underdog, and then they'll be thinking, you know, that Ireland has changed, and therefore you're represented in a year in a modern Ireland, and that's what it's all about, and that's what I call lovely hurling.
Underdogs, Iborts like Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.